Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Listening Academy. If you're struggling with IELTS Listening Section 1, especially with spelling names and writing numbers correctly, this video is for you. I'm going to take you through 4 engaging exercises to sharpen your skills and boost your score. Make sure you have a pen and paper ready because we're diving straight in.
Good afternoon, Maplewood Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to book a double room for 2 nights, please.
Sure. May I have your full name?
Yes, it's Emily Richardson.
Could you spell your surname for me, please?
Sure, it's Richardson.
Thank you. And a contact number, please?
It's 07934 228 511.
Okay, got it. And can you provide your email address?
Sure, it's emily.rich99@fastmail.com.
Perfect. Lastly, could you please tell me your home address for the bill?
Yes, it's 48 Greenway Road.
Oh, I know that place. London, right?
Yes, there is a road like that in London. In fact, people often get confused when I tell them my address. But I don't live there. I live in Bristol.
Ah, okay, got it. What is your postcode then?
It's BS73HL.
Excellent. Your room is booked for 2 nights from October 15th. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I actually want to book for October 17th. Is that available?
Yes, it is.
Perfect, so let's change it to that, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
All right, how did you do? If you got everything right, well done. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing. Now let's move on to spelling names practice. Now I'm going to say 10 names. Listen carefully and write them down. Check your answers at the end. Ready? Let's go.
Oliver Harris. Oliver Harris.
Kevin Parker. Kevin Parker. Brian Peterson. Brian Petterson. Jessica Barrett. Jessa Barret.
Sarah Williams. Sarah Welleams. Olivia Schmidt. Olivia Schmidt.
Isabella McCarthy. Isabella Mccarthy.
Terry Anderson. Terry Anderson. Jeremy Clark. Jeremy Clarke.
Felix Warner. Felix Warner.
How was that? If you got them all right, you're doing great. If not, review the spelling and practice again. Now, let's move on to numbers. Numbers can be tricky, especially when they sound similar. I'll say some numbers, and you need to write them down. Be careful with 15 and 50, 19 and 90, and big numbers. Ready? Let's go. 13. 30. 70. 17. 99. 127. 4,682. Now let's try some phone numbers. Remember, if you hear double, that means the same number appears twice in a row. 077555349 02088964501 01632 960 448 07921 773015. All right, how did you do? If you got all of them correct, fantastic. If not, keep practicing. Accuracy is key. Now for the final challenge, postcodes. Postcodes mix letters and numbers and they can be tricky. Listen carefully and write them down. Let's go. V1B4DA. NG126QJ. EH165YL. M503XT. That was a tough one. Postcodes require extra focus, so keep practice and listen carefully. Great job today. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new IELTS lessons. Let me know in the comments which section you found most challenging. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.